Have you ever tried body scan meditation to really unwind and relax? With the constant demands of modern life, it's easy to get caught up in a never-ending cycle of tension and fatigue. But what if you had a practice that could help you tune in, release tension, and discover a profound sense of calm? Body scan meditation is that practice, a gateway to deep relaxation and inner balance. One of the biggest benefits of body scan meditation is its ability to calm the mind and soothe the body. By focusing your attention inward, you can quiet the chatter of your thoughts and release physical tension, leaving you feeling refreshed, renewed, and at peace. And the best part? It's so easy to learn and practice, even if you're new to meditation. So, if you're ready to experience the profound benefits of body scan meditation for yourself, keep watching because we're about to dive in. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the ground, lie down on a bed or yoga mat, or recline in any position that feels supportive for your body. Close your eyes gently. Simply follow my voice and let your awareness guide you. Begin by bringing your attention to the crown of your head. Notice any sensations here. Perhaps you feel a slight tingling, warmth, or even nothing at all. Whatever you notice is perfectly okay. Now, shift your awareness to your forehead. Is it smooth or furrowed? Allow the muscles here to soften and relax. Let go of any tension or tightness. Move to your temples and eyes. Feel the weight of your eyelids as they rest gently. Allow your eyes to sink deeper into relaxation, as if they are being cradled in a soft, comforting space. Bring your focus to your cheeks and jaw. Notice if your jaw is clenched or tight. If it is, let it loosen. Allow your lips to part slightly, creating space for ease. Now, bring your attention to your neck and throat. Notice any tightness or strain here. Many of us carry tension in this area, often without realizing it. Imagine your breath traveling to your neck, creating length and softness as you exhale. Shift your focus to your shoulders. Are they hunched or relaxed? With each breath, allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Imagine the tension flowing out of your shoulders like a gentle stream, leaving you feeling lighter and freer. Move your awareness down your arms, starting with your upper arms. Feel their weight resting against your sides or the surface beneath you. Notice if there's any tightness or sensation. Shift to your elbows, forearms, and wrists. Observe how these parts of your body feel. Are they heavy or light? Warm or cool? Finally, bring your attention to your hands. Notice the position of your fingers, the texture of your palms, or the sensation of air on your skin. You might even feel a subtle pulse or tingling. Let your hands relax completely, releasing any tension they may be holding. Let's move on. Bring your focus to your chest. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as your chest rises and falls. Feel the expansion as you inhale and the release as you exhale. Shift your attention to your upper back. This area often holds the weight of our responsibilities. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this weight lifting away, leaving you feeling supported and at ease. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, where your heart resides. You might feel the gentle beat of your heart or a sense of warmth in this area. Take a moment to breathe into this space, cultivating feelings of gratitude and compassion. Move your awareness to your abdomen. Notice how it naturally expands with each inhale and softens with each exhale. Allow your belly to be soft and relaxed, releasing any tension you may be holding. Bring your focus to your lower back. This area supports so much of our movement and posture. If there's any tightness or discomfort, imagine your breath creating space and ease as you exhale. Shift to your hips and pelvis. This is a common area for holding tension. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your hips to sink more deeply into the surface beneath you. Feel a sense of grounding and stability. Now, bring your attention to your thighs. Feel their weight and notice any sensations, perhaps warmth, pressure, or even nothing at all. Breathe deeply, and as you exhale, let your thighs soften and relax. Shift to your knees. These joints work tirelessly to support you. Take a moment to appreciate them, breathing into this area and releasing any tightness. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet. Notice the sensations in your soles, arches, and heels. Feel the connection between your feet and the surface beneath them. Shift your focus to your toes. You might feel warmth, coolness, or a tingling sensation. Wiggle your toes gently, and then let them relax completely. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine all the remaining tension in your body flowing out through your feet, leaving you feeling calm and grounded. Take a moment to bring your awareness to your entire body. Feel the connection between all the parts you've explored, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice any sensations of ease, relaxation, or stillness. Breathe deeply, embracing this sense of wholeness and presence. As we prepare to end this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Notice how your body feels now compared to when we began. Is there a sense of lightness, calm, or connection. Perhaps you feel more grounded or present. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If you'd like, stretch your arms or roll your shoulders. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, taking a moment to absorb the sense of ease and presence you've cultivated. Remember, the key to getting the most out of body scan meditation is to make it a regular part of your routine. Try to set aside a few minutes each day to practice and watch how it can transform your life. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how body scan meditation has helped you and what benefits you've experienced from practicing it regularly. And don't forget to check out my other meditation videos for even more tools and techniques to help you relax, reduce stress, and find inner peace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.